Hey, what's up, crypto holder, my millionaire brother? Today video is gonna be very special for Harmony holder because today I have one good news and one special, very surprising video. So let's get started the price prediction of Harmony. But before I get started this brand video, I request you to please subscribe ABS Tech channel. Please click the red button. If you just click out, then I update you every cryptocurrencies news and just in 2 minute video. If you watch this 2 minute video, then you have no need to watch more videos. So let's get started this brand video. I request you please subscribe, click the red button. Okay, this time you can see your Harmony price is increasing very fastly. But if you check out the crypto market is totally in the losting and last 24 hour, my friends, why crypto market is in the losting, I also telling you. This time the crypto market, especially Bitcoin and Stormex, these two cryptocurrencies, everyone, Cardano and XLM, these cryptocurrencies especially gone very badly down. And the one reason is that too, I think this is the starting of month, I think this is the mid of month, but I don't know why their people are selling. So this is also good reason to their people are start selling, therefore they're gone down. But Harmony, today we talked about the Harmony, our topic is Harmony coin, to why they gone up, oh my goodness, and upcoming days they gone up or they gone down. I also told you this, and with live proof, my friends, with live proof, not without proof. You can see here this time they changed occur 8.46%, they got up. So congratulations my Harmony holder, they are going very fastly up. Congratulations, this is good news. And Harmony, if they go up like this time, let's see the chart result to what's going on in the chart. You can see here Harmony totally in the last previous days, this in the last 7 days they are going up. You can see here this time they're going down, but after that you can see here this time they're going up very fastly. And the price changed to 0.15 at 0.53 US dollar. What a big change, my friend. The volume of last 24 hours is 1.196990 at 2 trillion. What a good change, man. They're going up like a rocket. Congratulations. But again they take a very bad dump, my friends. Again they take a very bad dump. So let's check out the market cap to what's going on in the market cap. Harmony price, you can see here this time in the top 0.1542 is the latest price, and the price stand at 0.0115 at US dollar. What a big change, man. The price stand at 8% gone very fastly, my friend. This time you can see here the last 24-hour low and high price. The price come down to 0.1406 US dollar. You can see here, but the price gone up and to 0.15449 US dollar. So where a bad chance, you can see here this time the price is come down very badly but going up very slowly. So I hope in upcoming days they're going up. The last trading volume, you can see here 12.46% gone up. Congratulations, my friend. Volume market cap at 0.1158 percent they're going up. So market domains is 0.06% gone up. Market rank as 88 or 80, sorry, 80. And I hope just at the end of this month, I hope they can come into top 10. What you say, can they cross the top 10 cryptocurrencies? Yes, they are in the top 10 just in the last month. So my friend, if you can see here this time the good price as last 24-hour result is very high. So I hope in upcoming days they're going up like a rocket. So please buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they make you millionaire, they give you a good price. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.